Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. In our last video, we have discussed some important questions based on the life of Raj Bihari Bose. Again, we have come bringing with another leader, Badruddin Tayyab, who was a lawyer, political activist, and social reformer, and he was also instrumental in founding of Indian National Congress in 1885. Let's beginning with the first question of the first slide. Choose the correct statement. Statement first: Badruddin Tayyabji was a lawyer, social activist, and politician. Second, he was the first Indian to practice as a barrister in High Court of Bombay. Which option is correct? Only first, only second, option C both, and option D none. And the correct option is option C. Both the option is correct because Badruddin Tayyabji was a lawyer, social activist, and politician, and also a first Indian to practice as a barrister in High Court of Bombay. Sorry. Now moving to second question. Who was the third President of Indian National Congress? Option A Dadabhai Nauroji, option B Abdul Kalam Azad, option C Badruddin Tayyib ji, and option D George Ulay. And the correct option is option C Badruddin Tayyib ji. Badruddin Tayyib ji was the third president of Indian National Congress in 1887. Now moving to third question. Who was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, option B Badruddin Tayyib ji, option C Aga Khan, option D none. Be careful before marking your answer, and the correct option is option B Badruddin Tayyib ji, who was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress in 1887. Now moving to fourth question. Who founded the Islam Club and the Gymkhana? Option A Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, option B Badruddin Tayyib ji, option C Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, and option D Muhammad Iqbal. Which option is correct? And the correct option is option B Badruddin Tayyib ji was the founder of the Islam Club and the Gymkhana with other associates. Now moving to fifth question. The Bombay Presidency Association in 1885 was formed by B. Tayyabji, K.T. Telang, and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option B Tilak, Tayyabji, and Ranade. Option C Abul Kalam Azad, Tilak, and Motilal Nehru. And third and last option is Badruddin Tayyabji, K.T. Telang, Firoz Shah Mehta, and others. Which option is correct for the formation of Bombay Presidency Association in 1885? And the correct option is option D Badruddin Tayyib ji, K.T. Telang, Firoz Shah Mehta, and other leader formed the Bombay Presidency Association in 1885, and who organized the first meeting of INC in Bombay. Now moving to last question. Which option is incorrect? Be careful before marking your answer. Here question has asked for incorrect statement. First statement: he was first Muslim judge of Bombay High Court and third Indian. Second, in 1902 he was the first Indian to hold the post of Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, and third, he died in London in 1906. Which option is incorrect? Option A only first and third, option B only first and second, option C only second and third, and option D none. And the correct option is and the correct option is option D, because all the three statements are correct. He was the first Muslim judge of Bombay High Court and third Indian, and he died in London in 1906 during his visit, and he was also first Indian to hold the post of Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers. Please like, share and subscribe our initiative.